Hi. Let us take a look at the bell section of our app. It is used to view all the notifications during a season. The second tab in this section shows you the chronological progress of a season. You can navigate through the info here by using filters. A more detailed view of a filtered notification is only a tap away. All the notifications apply to the entire group of vineyards, or a zone. Chronological events and actions apply to a single vineyard. This is why there is an additional per vineyard filter. Other filters are still there. Thanks for watching, and do get in touch in case of related questions.